how to log into your Supercell account on a new phone. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is make sure that your Supercell account is logged out of your old device or your old phone. Then from your new phone, you can simply open the application, right? So after opening the application here, make sure that you do remember all of the credentials of your Supercell account. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply add in your phone number. So simply select your country code first of all, and then add in the phone number of your account. And after doing that, all you need to do is tap on next, right? So after tapping on next, you will actually be able to add in the password of your Supercell account. So simply add in the password of your account, and after adding the password, simply tap on login, and just like this, you'll actually be able to log into your account. So instead of password, there might also be adding down the verification code. So if you do get that option, you can add in the verification code that you'll be able to get on your phone, and then simply verify your account, and just like this, you'll successfully be able to log into your Supercell account on your new phone. If you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below, and that will be it for this video.